Now, if you look at what we are doing here, so we can see the internal organ of rabbit that we have just dissected this morning. So you can see the animal is still breathing. It's still breathing. So let me just mention some of the examples of some of the internal organs that we have here. So this one that is very big, this one that I'm touching, that is for the storage of urine. This is called bladder. What did I call it? Bladder. So this one that I'm touching, so this one that I'm just touching, that is the bladder. So this one, this is the stomach. This one, what did I call it? Stomach. This is stomach. So this is all these small ones. This tiny one. So that is the small intestine. What did I call it? Small intestine. So this big one, that is the large intestine. That is the large intestine. This big one, this one that is very big. So this one, who can tell me the name of this thing? This one that is pale? No. If you don't see very well, don't talk. This one. Liver. That is the liver. Can you say it? Liver. That is the liver. So this one that is breathing, that is still doing like something is pumping. What is that one? Heart. So that is the heart. That is the heart. You can see the heart is still pumping blood. That's why you can still do boo, 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 boo. So, and then if you look at the intestine too, they are still moving. Yes. You can see it moving. So, when the food leaves the mouth, it comes through the esophagus. Esophagus is around this area, around the neck region. When it leaves that place, it comes to the stomach. It comes to the stomach. From the stomach to the small intestine to the large intestine. So any food that does not digest, so will come out through the anus. Or the partially digested food. All those ones that do not undergo complete digestion. So that is what we are looking at today. Internal organs of rabbits. Their internal organs are similar to that of man. We have similar internal organs. Just like we have mouth, they have mouth. Esophagus, they have esophagus. Stomach, they have stomach. We also have livers. So, in most cases, the heart died last in an organism. The fact that they say that somebody is dead, the heart may still be beating. Until all the organs are dead, they never pronounce somebody dead. So, as you can see, this rabbit is still alive. It's still alive. That's why the heart is beating. Is still beating. And that's why the internal organs, the intestine, are still moving. So, now I will allow you to say it one by one. So what you are going to do at the end of this practical is that you are going to bury this rabbit. So you know the place you bury it. After 1 week, you go and remove it where you bury it and bring out the bones. Don't tamper with the bones because we want to see all those bones that we have learnt about. The cervical, the thoracic, the lumbar, sacral, and cauda. We want to see all those bones that we have mentioned. We want to see the bones of the appendicular skeleton and the bone of the axial skeleton. We want to see all those bones. All those femur, all these humerus that we have mentioned, all those various bones in the body, the skull. We want to see all of them. So you must know the exact location that you must know the exact location where you bury the rabbit, so that when you want to remove it, you know exact place you want to go. Now let me let me ask you some questions. Can you mention some of the, don't talk if I don't call you. Can you mention some of the internal organs you have learnt about today? So you raise your hand while you talk. Let's start from the class captain. You tell us your name.
My name is Ibrahim Grace.
If you want to talk, remove the nose mask from your mouth so that we can hear you.
My name is Ibrahim Grace, and I have learned about the bladder, the small intestine, the large
It's okay.
intestine.
Let somebody else talk. Who else want to talk? You tell us your name.
My name is Aliba Togushala. I have learned about the liver, the stomach, the largest.
Is all right? Okay, let me hear you talk. Your name.
Okay.
Another person. Start all over. Your name is what?
Akimus. I read about the large intestine and the small, the heart, the liver, and
It's all right. Who else want to talk? Okay.
My name is Esther Alphonsus. I've learned about the large intestine, the small intestines, and the rib, the
Okay.
heart, and the stomach.
So,
My
okay.
name is Fashida Mitulai. I've learned about the liver, the large intestine, the small intestine.
Okay, that's all right. So with this, we have come to the end of the practical.